Hello everyone. Hello Gayatri ma'am. I'm good today. Better than tomorrow at least. People who are there in my live, please give a thumbs up or a hi so that I'm able to know who all are there in the live session. Please. Hi Harsha. Now is the voice okay? Let us start our session today. Today we will be doing tulips on the diary. This is an old diary which I have covered with denim, and we will be working on this today. So first of all, this is the diary which I will be using. For today's article, we will be needing our fabric acrylic kit, the extra colors if you want, and the fabric glue. These are the things from the Fevicryl company which we will be requiring. First of all, we will need a material. It can be any material. I am doing on denim because I want to show कि denim में थोड़ा सा it is a difference in doing on other fabric and denim fabric. That is why I am taking denim fabric. You guys can take a normal cotton fabric which should be washed and ironed. Yes, Gayatri ma'am, white cloth is completely okay. I've cut this cloth in my according to my requirement, and first I'll be telling how to cover it. This was my old jeans which I am taking, and this pattern will really look good. So no need to remove it and no need to take the plain one. This is completely okay. And this thing, will cover, it will come here, so that it will give a grip to our cover. I've already cut it to save on time. Members, please, who all are present, give a hi or hello so that I am able to know. This is according to the size of the diary. Now what we'll do is, don't apply the Fevicol over here. You need to apply the Fevicol. First I'm cutting the sides from the middle. I hope it is clearly visible. First I will be applying here. In the second layer I am applying here. And I am spreading it with the help of the nozzle only. I am not taking a brush, I am just spreading it with the help of the nozzle. And I am folding it. Same I will be doing from the other side. Oh, sorry. Sorry. We need to apply Fevicol over here. Sorry guys. And please use only fabric glue because we are working on fabric. So we need to use fabric glue. I'm stretching it. Again I am applying the fabric glue on the edges. Hello Anu ma'am. And again I am pasting it. No need कि यहाँ पे एकदम clear line आए because we are going to paste a paper. Just stretch this fabric. Now we need to cut this. If you want, you can completely cut this. Or what you can do is you can just fold it towards inside. The extra from here we'll remove. And now we'll apply Fevicol again. Fabric glue. I hope it is clear till now. Again, I'm creating a triangle so that it is easy to forgive a fold. I'm applying the fabric glue. I'm just folding it towards the inward side. Just see to it that it is completely stretched. There is no need to apply the fabric glue on this side. I'll tell you where I'm talking about. Whenever you are pasting cloth on diary or anything, just make sure that there is no crease. Please, people who are present in the class, give a hi or hello. Hello, Sushma ma'am. I'll fold this and then I'll apply fabric glue on the rest of the You can take any colored cotton cloth, any cloth of your choice, and if you're not having cloth, you can take paper also. Hello Deepa ma'am, after so long. This is the extra piece which I am cutting. Hello Rajeshwari ma'am. Apply the fabric glue in generous amount. Just wait a minute, guys. Something went wrong in my phone, sorry. The light actually stopped in my phone. See, in this way we have covered a diary. You can cover it with a paper also or with any cloth of your choice. If you are covering with white cotton cloth, Gayatri ma'am, please give a wet on wet technique effect. Because if it is a white, if you will create a white diary, so what will happen? It will get dirty. Now what I am doing is, I am giving the lace effect. See, I have given the lace over here to beautify it. So pehle I am applying the lace so that I'll be able to know how we have to go with our design. If you are taking a white fabric, take a colored lace. I'll measure this. If you want, you can give a full lace from here to here. That way you can also go. First of all, I am cutting the lace. What I will be needing? I am measuring the sides of the diary, and according to my measurement, I am cutting the lace. Now I can put it like this, or either this way. So I am making the design outwards. Yes, Deepa ma'am, we are making diary cover. What we have done till now is I have just shown how to cover the diary. And this is the article which we are doing. It is tulips on the diary cover. Yes, Amrita ma'am, that is what I'm showing. This is the tulips on the diary. I have just shown how to cover the diary. You need to apply the fabric glue according to your lace. If it is thin, I had an approx idea कि मेरी lace it is around 1/4 inch broad, so I am taking in this way. Right now I am not carrying an iron with me. Whenever you work with fabric glue on cloth, you can just iron the article once. So you will get a very good effect. What are you asking, Deepa ma'am? When fabric glue dries, it gives a transparent effect. Deepa ma'am, whenever we use fabric glue, so if you iron this, then it will give a very effect will not be good. Actually, it will paste in a better way. वो आराम से फिर उतरेगा नहीं. जैसे अब मेरा आर्टिकल, when I finish this article, what I'll do is मैं इस पूरे आर्टिकल पे I'll just iron it once. तो जो बोलते हैं ना फेविकॉल का मजबूत जोड़, तो वो मजबूत जोड़ हो जाएगा. It will not get, what do you call, it will not वो displace नहीं होगा अपनी जगह से. अब I want this line in my article, इसलिए मैं इसको यहाँ से ऐसे पेस्ट नहीं कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि अगर मैंने इसको यहाँ से ऐसे पेस्ट कर दिया तो ये मेरी लाइन खत्म हो जाएगी. But I want to show this line, so that is why I am not pasting it. Base of the article is done. We have covered our diary. We have applied the lace. Now comes the painting part. Painting our tulips. In this article, I have done this ways. तो अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि in this article I'll do this ways, ताकि ये वाला चीज जो है वो शो हो. ऐसे ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये शो नहीं होगा वरना. I'll do in the same way. तो what we'll be needing is please close your fabric glue when not in use. For the tulips, I'll be needing white color. Then I'll be needing teal blue. This is ultramarine blue, which is available in our kit. We can do with these two colors also, white and ultramarine, which is available in our kit. No need for these two colors. But if you have it, then you can use it. First of all, I will be requiring a flat brush. There were questions that why I have took denim color, denim material, not cotton material. So I'll tell you why I have took cotton denim material, because when you work on denim, the color fades. First of all, I am taking some white on my OHP sheets. And then I need to see where I have to keep my flowers. One I'll keep here, then here, then here, and one here. I'm taking some, I'm loading my color in the white color. Then I'm creating a simple V. I'm creating a simple V over here. And now I'm just applying these kind of strokes. One here, then again, I'm making V and then converting into U. This is the way I have created two flowers, base for two flowers rather. Now one flower I will create here. I'll make a V. Then with the help of the strokes, I'll just give the flowing strokes. Now one flower I'll give here. I'll create a simple V again. And then with the help of the dry strokes, I'll be creating a simple U. This is the dry strokes which I am giving because I am not loading any color in my brush. I am just giving the dry strokes. This stroke is called the dry stroke. If you are able to realize this color is fading. It is not giving a shine to the article. It is fading because it is denim. Denim absorbs the color. So whenever we use denim, we have to create the base which we have given with the white color. Now I am using teal blue color. In the same brush, I have not dipped my brush in water. I'm not cleaning my brush. With the same brush, I am carrying forward. Guys, are you able to understand? Please give a thumbs up or anything so that I am able to pursue more. Because no, I am not able to see any comments. Thank you, Gayatri ma'am. I have created. Thank you, Siddhi ma'am. How are you feeling today? Thank you, Sushma ma'am. Thank you, Rajeshwari ma'am. With the same brush, I'm again creating the strokes. These are called flowing strokes. I'm not loading a lot of color in my brush. These are dry strokes which I am giving. I'm not loading any color. If I directly did the teal blue color on the denim material, you will not able to see that color. But we have given the white base, that is why we are able to see this color. We have given the base to our flowers. Now I am wiping off with my brush. I'm taking some cerulean blue color or ultramarine blue color also. Deepa ma'am, you can take any color. It is actually according to you only. These are all imaginary flowers. These are not actual flowers, so you can take any color of your choice. From here, what I am doing is, please see this step carefully. From this point, I am just drawing a crooked line. And then I am again doing the dry strokes. Is it okay now? I move like this so that it is more clear. See, I'm making dry strokes. For any kind of flower, what we have to do, we have to create the base, and then we can work on it. Now again, I'm making a crooked line again till here, and I'm joining from here. And now I'm dragging my brush again. And in the middle, I have to give the dotting effect. Now I'm taking some ultramarine blue in my same brush. I'm not washing off my brush. And I'm repeating the process. For flowers, we have to give multiple layering. And I'm dragging my brush downwards. You can redo it till the time you are satisfied. As my line is merged here, I'm again creating the crooked line. Now with the 000 brush or zero brush, you can give the small strokes. Now we'll start with the second flower. I'm dragging it to give the dry strokes. Similarly from here, I have to do till here because ये वाली line we have extended till here. So we have to show the overlapping effect. Hope you guys are liking the article. Don't overload your brush. Dragging it downwards. Now this leaf will show it is a folded leaf. So what we'll do is I made it a bit broad and I'm taking a circle from here in the revolving manner. So it will appear as if this leaf is in a folded way. I'm just applying the color on the edge and just dragging the color. These are small leaves, and this leaf I'll make a big one. I'm giving circular strokes and then joining this. And with the help of the dry strokes, I'm just moving my brush downwards. Again from this side. On denim material, you have to redo your work again and again to give the effect. On a cotton material, no need of redoing is needed. But on the denim material, redoing is important. Otherwise your color will fade. This is the third layer which we are giving. And here I am creating the third petal. See, I want to show this difference that I have not put white before applying this blue. So this is appearing to be done. So I have to apply white to make it more visible. Now if you want that you can create these white strokes. You can even do with teal blue or sky blue. In this flower I am giving the small strokes with teal blue. Now we are done with our flowers. The next step we will go to make the stem and the leaves. The same brush, what I am going to take is, I am giving a line. I am not a frequent washer of the brush, so you can do it accordingly. You can, if you want, you can wash it. Because I believe that washing again and again spoils the brush. And once giving the white, we can highlight it with the dark blue. One type of leaf I have shown yesterday, the C shape. So we will start with that only. One C here, reverse C here, and fill it. Take another color in the same brush and just merge it. I'm giving a teal blue shade in this leaf. I already have this ultramarine and teal blue both. So I'm not wasting my color, I'm just making the leaves. Now for the next leaf, what we are doing is, this is the new type of leaf. I'm taking white color, I'm loading white color in my brush and I'm just creating a line like this. And after creating this line, I'm just giving the dry strokes. This is a folded leaf. And then we are going to highlight it with the ultramarine. The stroke should be clearly visible. Here what we can do is, I'm creating a straight line and then I'm giving the leaf kind strokes. This cannot be done with a broad brush, so you have to take the small brush. For white color, we are creating the base. Then we'll be applying more color to it. You can add as many leaves as you want. Wherever you see that there is an empty space, you can add the leaf. And just double the color. You can go with these tendrils also. But it will be requiring white color and then the tendrils. Now, I forgot to tell you one thing. You need to put a paper over here, like this. To make it neat, it is a bit small. You can take a bit big paper and you can keep it like this and paste it so that this untidiness goes. So this is very important because any article which you prepare, please prepare in a beautiful manner. Don't leave any untidiness. Then in this diary, what I have done is I pasted mirrors to beautify it. Now in this, what I am thinking is, you can add different sizes of pearls also. Like this. Because blue color, pearls and lace, it really goes it looks attractive. Like this. And don't use the same size, take some different sizes. How is the article looking? And these are stones which are available in the market. You can put these kinds of stones also. So it is your choice completely, whatever you want to use. You can use either of these stones. Then you can go for mirrors. Then you can go for these pearls. These all can be pasted with a fabric glue. So you can use anything, the pearls, the stones, or you can go for mirrors. In this diary I have used mirrors, so in this diary I'll use these pearls. Please, I am requesting again and again to submit the work on time I should zoom out. Just wait. Take whatever days, 2-3 days, which are convenient for you. Thank you, Gayatri ma'am. Thank you, Sushma ma'am. Thank you, Rajeshwari ma'am, for attending the session. Please submit the article on time because it is a reward for me. I always tell this, it is a reward for me. I try to take new articles for you guys. And when I get beautiful submission, I also feel happy. So please do the submission within 2 to 3 days. Thank you so much. We'll update about the next workshop soon in the group only. Thank you for attending the workshop. See you next week probably. Thank you everyone.